Hi everyone, after a very long time. So today is a rainy day in Bangalore. So we had some sweet cravings, so we ordered some ice creams from Polar Bear. Wow, it looks yum. So this is for mom. She likes it. And this is Death by Chocolate. So it has some brownie, ice cream and some fresh cream and peanuts. So again, this is the same thing. Just order the same. So we usually order cake fudge from Corner House. So but off late, favorite spot. So we thought we'd try. And we have some chocolate sauce here. Chocolate sauce. Death by Chocolate was really good. So I'm gonna have all of this. Next, let's see what.
Oh, this is the same, so I'm not gonna try this.
So this is
Pine passion.
pine passion. So this is pine passion. So this has some chopped pineapples added, and there's a scoop of ice cream, and I think there's fresh cream as well.
There's pineapple compote.